Welcome students. Let us see this question. This question says an equilateral triangle of side 8 centimeter is drawn. So you can see this is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle ABC having side length 8 centimeter. So that its vertices lies on the circumference of a circle, as you can see as shown in diagram. What is the total of three areas shaded in the diagram in centimeter square? So we have to find the area of these shaded regions, right? So how we can do this? So basically the first logic you can think that, so our required area should be equals to what? Area of circle. It should be area of circle minus area of an equilateral triangle, right? This is a simple concept which you can think. Right now we can find area of an equilateral triangle very easily. We know the formula that it is root under 3 by 4 into side square, and we have the side length, that is root under 3 over 4 into 8 square, and this will be in centimeter square because the unit is centimeter. The main target is how to find area of a circle. You know the formula, that it is pi r square, where r is the radius of circle. So our main target is to find the radius of the circle. In this case, if you are able to find the radius of the circle, you can get the answer very easily, right? So let's see how we can find it. So I will apply some geometrical condition and results here. What I will do, see, I am going to draw a perpendicular from vertex A to side BC. So I am going to draw a perpendicular. My drawing is not good, so let me try once again. So let us suppose this is the point D and this is a perpendicular, and you should know that in an equilateral triangle everything is symmetrical, right? And you should have the knowledge that if you draw the perpendicular, right, it will bisect the opposite side, or you can say this BC side as well. This is a property, you can prove it also, and you should keep in mind it, right? Because if you want to solve quickly, then you should keep in mind some important results. So the result is, if you draw the perpendicular from a vertex to the any side of equilateral triangle, it will bisect the side, right? So we get that this is the 4 and this is the 4, right? Because the complete side was 8 centimeter. Now we need the radius. How we can get the radius? See, suppose a radius, okay, radius will be lying on this line AD, right? Everything is symmetrical basically, and I'm drawing this BO. So this BO is my radius, and as we know that this complete angle is 60 degree. We know the angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree, and I'm again saying everything is symmetrical in equilateral triangle. So basically this angle will be your 30 degree. We may prove it also, not a big task, but if you want to do it quickly, you have to keep it in mind, right? So this is the 30 degree. Now consider the triangle OBD. Consider triangle OBD. You can see this is an right angle triangle. It's clearly shown that it's a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle we are interested in finding BO. Why? Because BO is my radius. So what we should apply here, which trigonometrical ratio we can apply here? We should apply here cos. So I'm going to apply cos theta. So what's the cos theta? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So base is 4 and hypotenuse, that is the BO, and cos 30 degree, that is the root 3 over 2 is equals to 4 upon BO, right? So from here we can get BO is equals to 8 upon root 3, and this is my radius as well, right? So we get the radius, it means question is going to be solved very soon. So let us find the area of the circle. So in place of this pi r square, now I will put this pi, and r is what? R is 8 upon root 3. So we should apply 8 upon root 3 whole square. So it should be 564 upon 3, right? And we have to subtract them, right? So let us simplify this expression. Our answer is in front of us. Just we have to write it in proper form. What will be the proper form? See the options here. I have to follow the options. It is just like this, some constant outside taking as a common, then I have to adjust in this manner. So see, so basically we have pi 64 upon 3, this minus root under 3 over 4 into 64, this, this 8 square is 64. So what I can do, I can take 64 as a common. I am getting 64 as a common, so I will get here pi upon 3 minus root under 3 over 4. Now I will try to match the option 64. See, there is no 64 outside as a common. So what we can do, either 8, 24, 48, 16, like this. So you can try it. So let's, I can make it 16, right? So I have to see 64 is basically 16 into 4. We can write in this manner, and pi upon 3 minus root under 3 upon 4, right? So what I will do, I will multiply this 4 inside the bracket, keep 16 out as it is. So this will be 4 pi upon 3 minus root under 3. Now please see the option. Yes, there is option having 16 in the numerator outside. Now I want 3 in denominator as well. So what we can do, I can take the LCM as well. So if you take the LCM, what will happen? It's 3. It's 4 pi minus 3 root 3. Now you can take 3 outside. You can write it 16 upon 3, and this will be 4 pi minus 3 root 3. So this should be our answer. Let's check the option. I have written fourth option by hand, right? So this is the correct answer. So I hope you have understood this question in a very easy and proper manner. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching.